Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this cute little like freckle heart moment. I say freckle because I kind of did it right in here to mimic the look of freckles, but they're hearts because this is very like Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is around the corner for all you lovebirds out there, for all my galentines out there, for whoever this video suits for. I love Valentine's Day makeup because it's so glam and soft, or it's like graphic liner and hearts all over the face, just like this. So I wanted to put a little bit of a twist on it because in the past I have done like Valentine's Day videos and they're a little bit more like glam, and I'll link those down below. But I wanted to do something different. I think I will have something else glam coming through, but we'll see how much time we get through there. But if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I have my base pretty much all on. I think I'm just gonna dive super quickly into eyes. I don't want to do a whole lot with the eyes since there's gonna be a lot going on with the face, obviously. So I'm just going to grab my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild crease brush and I'm gonna dip into Tipsy Girl and Lolly Mama and just kind of like run that into my crease. Just like super softly. I don't want like a whole lot of color. I mean, I say that now, but we'll see what this builds up to. Like, of course, I don't want the eyes to be like the focal point of this video. I really just want it to be kind of what we're gonna have on the face. So I'm just going to literally put this pretty much all over the lid. With my finger, I'm just gonna grab Drama Queen and just run that right on the lid. And kind of just blend it out to make it look a little bit more sparse. Yeah, so I want it to look very like glittery, just like that. So I want it to have like a lot of reflection, but not like a whole lot of like payoff, if that makes sense. Like I don't want the color to be super concentrated. I just want it to look just like super sparkly and pretty. Yeah, so I want something like that. Just like super pretty, super sparkly, nothing like too serious. I feel so like backwards because I'm doing everything like so backwards, but I'm gonna take this brown liner from Tarte and just line my top lash line. And I think I'm gonna do like the babiest wing. Like that, like just the babiest wing. I have liner on, I have a baby wing on. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara and then throw a lash on. Everything is so like out of whack right now because I'm doing everything like completely out of order, so everything just feels so weird. I'm gonna use my KVD mascara. I just need like a light coat because I want to put lashes on. I got a bunch of new lashes for my Ani. I'm gonna use the style Sweet Dreams because I think they're like really cute and wispy, and the box is pink and we're doing pink, so love. While I wait for the lash glue to dry, I'm actually going to throw this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil into my waterline because I want a pink waterline, and I think this should be fine. If it's safe for the lips, it should be safe for my eye, so. And then on this JH44 brush, I'm going to take the Lolly Mama and the Tipsy Girl colors, and I'm going to run that just like so slightly underneath my lash line. And then just a little bit of bottom lash mascara. I'm using BadGal Bang by Benefit. Like getting kind of dry. And I think these lashes are ready for us to pop on. So I'm gonna do that. Alrighty, and the lashes are on. So I think we're gonna move on to like the most exciting part of the video, which is drawing on our heart freckles. Okay, so I have this Wet n Wild little paint pot from Halloween. And I think we're gonna use this pretty often in this little like scenario we have going on. But I'm gonna grab and I'm gonna try a different couple methods and see which one like works better. I know like the easiest method to like a heart is like 2 dots and like a line. So we're gonna see how we can achieve that the easiest way. So I do have this like Moda Cosmetics. This is the fine liner brush. Let's start here and see what we can work up to. So I'm gonna grab some of this product here and like really kind of like saturate the brush evenly. And then I guess kind of just go in. I've never actually used this, so I'm gonna like There's no way I can show you, but I'm gonna try and practice like in the back of my hand. Oh, okay. So it's pretty, I mean, like work with it. I don't think this dries down though. I think that's the problem. I also have this like Artiste like flat brush, but I think these might make, this will be good for like bigger hearts. So I think I'm gonna try that first. I'm gonna saturate, right? And then I'll take the liner brush and then I guess I'll just fill. I mean, yeah, actually that's pretty solid, I think. So there's one. I think the problem with this is it's not like stamping like solid. So I have to like go in and like fill it in, which is a little bit more tedious than I thought it was gonna be. Those are completely crooked, but it's okay because it's supposed to be like freckles, so they're not supposed to look identical. But I kind of just thought like starting off with two big ones and then making like a bunch of little ones would be so cute. The hard is like the edges, like keeping the edges like crisp is like nearly impossible. I think I like this one better than I like this one, but we're gonna move on. So this is like the Marc Jacobs smudger brush, and it's like rounded. So I wonder if I can like take this, and, like saturate it, like kind of do the same idea, like stamp, and then fill. I mean, that could work. Yeah. If you don't like have accessibility to like face paints and stuff, always go with like a lip liner or like an eyeliner in the color you want. So I have KKW lip liner in Birthday Kiss, and I'm gonna go in and kind of just like freehand a couple little hearts because I know like this is obviously gonna show up like a lot lighter. So I want a little bit of like contrast between the like really pigmented hearts. Another method, I have this MAC like pigment. This is in Bright Fuchsia Creative. So you can always take a little bit of this. So I'm gonna pour a little bit into like this lash tray for my lashes. Maybe a lot. And then you can take like the Makeup by Mario, like liquid mixing thing, or the ink blot, Durline, and I don't have either one of those. So another trick you could do is you can use good old Urban Decay All Nighter to kind of bond them. So I'm just going to like bring a little bit in there. And you want to get like the right consistency, which is just like nearly impossible. So we're just going to shoot for what we can here. I have this JS14 liner brush, and we're just going to mix that up. Doing this method might be a little bit difficult sometimes because the like powder and the mixing medium might not want to mix together the best, so you might end up with like chunky bits of it that you'll have to smooth out. So you'll get something that looks like this, like a little bit patchy, but then you kind of just go over it, like smooth out the pigment out of the powder, and it ends up just like working out that way. Because like I'll just like smush it into my hand here to make it a little bit more smooth. This is where we are. I think I'm gonna add some like white hearts. So I have this Wet n Wild Halloween white lipstick that I think I'm gonna try and use. I'm running out of brushes. Okay, so I have this itty bitty like elf liner brush. I'm gonna try and use this one. So I'm really gonna like saturate. Okay, so this liner brush kind of sucks. I did buy this for like $1 though, so I mean I can't be too surprised. I just remembered I have this ColourPop cream liner that I'm gonna try and use actually. I feel like this might be a better product for this. I love how much the white like stands out with the other colors. It's so cute. But look, I think we've done enough damage with all the products. So I'm actually gonna stop here. Now, the thing with this with working with these products is none of these products dry down. So I'm going to take some Derma Blend. I feel like this is probably going to be the best to like set everything with. I'm going to like shake this up because I need like a lot. And then I'm going to take a brush that I don't care about ruining or like getting like red pigment on. I'm going to take this LA Colors like big powder brush and I'm going to like get a pretty generous amount on the brush here. And then this is going to get absolutely everywhere, but this needs to be like coated. So like, make sure everything is like set because if any of this moves and smudges anything else, I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, see, so like I don't know if you can see, but like there's some of like that red pigment on there, which I knew was gonna happen if I used like any of my other brushes, which is why I opted for this one. But not too bad. Okay, so I let this set for a second, and now I'm just going to take the same brush because again, if it doesn't set, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm just going to dust it off. I do not like this Derma Blend powder, honestly. But I thought, like, I've seen everybody on TikTok using this powder, so I thought I would use this powder. But I really don't like this powder. See, because it, like, diluted all my parts. I use, like, my Morphe setting spray and see if, like, this will kick off some of, like, the powderiness. I'm gonna try some Fix Plus, too, just so I can see if it'll kick off more of the powderiness. Okay, so that helped a little bit. I got this new Nabla bronzer that I think I'm gonna try and use. Just so I can like bronze a little bit of like the perimeter of my face. I've never used anything by Nabla. This is exciting. You just feather it right into here. Don't like mess up my heart. I don't know if this is like, if this is not the right brush I should be using. But I don't really, I mean, it's like soft. I've never like swatched this. I mean, it's there. Oh yeah, that is so like, maybe I need a better brush. Let me see. I'm gonna take my JH06 brush. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of lip liner. This is the Birthday Kiss, the same that I used the little hearts with. And I'm just like barely going to line. I just want like a little kiss of color. And then I'm gonna throw this, I got this e.l.f. Mint Melt Plumping Gloss for $1 at Walmart, and I'm not ashamed. But this is just like a cute, like brown color. It's like mint chocolate. Ooh, yeah. That's cute. Just a little bit of color. And that's it, guys. So this is kind of just like the look that I came up with. This is very like Valentine's-esque, nothing too like crazy. There's something in my lash. I wouldn't say this is super easy, but it's definitely a lot more like fun. It's definitely very like festive. It's very like trendy. So it's super like cute. You can even add like a couple gems to this, make it look super cute. But I kind of skipped like blush and highlighter just so I can keep everything a little bit more focused on the heart. Tell me what you guys think. Is this something that you would pull off for Valentine's Day? Or is this something just for like the gram? Let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.